5 things you should never do with your salary. Number 1, never spend more than what you earn. Common sense lang naman yan eh. Kung ang kita mo ay 15,000, di ka pwede gumastos ng 20,000 dahil magkakautang ka. Number 2, never loan anyone your salary. Pinaghirapan mo yung perang yan. Huwag kang masyadong marupok at mabait na magpapautang ka. Kung gusto mo, tumulong ka na lang. Number 3, never tell anyone how much you are earning. Naku, pag nalaman nila kung magkano kinikita mo, ikaw ang unang pupuntahan. Number 4, never save without a goal. Pag tayo po ay mag-iipon, dapat meron na tayong goal in mind. That's the reason why pag nag-iipon tayo na uubos kasi wala tayong financial target and goal. Number 5, never forget to build your emergency fund. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when tayo magkakaroon ng emergency. Just in case na mawalan tayo ng work, kumina ang ating negosyo, at least meron kang pondo na pwede mong gamitin. So again, mga friendship, kung gusto po niyo pang money tips, all you need to do is just follow me and subscribe on this channel.